Hey, look at that. You can see right through. Join me on a little hike today. Can.
Checkpoint number 2.
Made it to the tide pools. I mean, look at the water clarity. Holy shit. I mean, look at that. You can see right through. Oh, Aquabrana. Aquabrana. Look at that little guy. Oh, look at the hermit crab. Wow. Dude, look at the orange. That's super cool. Did not make it out the gulag. Quick dip in the drink, and now we're about to head back up. Now we're running back down the hike, back to the car. It's so hot. I can't keep up. It's so far. Alright, all pal with the hike and hopping in the water. About to grab a drink. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Catch you guys on the next one. Shoot.